Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own toothpaste at home. It only takes a few ingredients and it's really easy to put together. It also doesn't cost much. Let's start with what you need. Here we have the coconut oil. You will need some peppermint oil, baking soda, a small container to put it in, and something to stir it with. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to add your baking soda. And depending on the size of the jar or container, you want to add between maybe 2 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons. And that's depending on the size container. You may need more. But with the baking soda, this is what actually cleans your teeth. Baking soda helps remove buildup on the surface of your teeth and balances acids in your mouth, which helps protect your enamel. It's gentle, but it still does a good job of cleaning. Okay. Next, we're going to add the peppermint oil. Use about 10 to 15 drops. Somewhere in that range. It's not exact science. With the peppermint oil, this way gives the toothpaste its fresh minted taste. It also helps freshen breath and has benefits that help fight bacteria in your mouth. Since it's strong, it's best to start with fewer drops and add more if needed. Now, we want to add our coconut oil. And I chose this particular coconut oil because if you live in a colder climate area and you want to prevent your toothpaste from solidifying, it's best to go with natural, organic and natural coconut oil. Okay, it's in liquid form. Now, the coconut oil, it helps turn the baking soda into a smooth paste so it's easy to use. Be careful not to pour in too much coconut oil. You want to keep it, you want to get it paste-like, okay? Okay, it also helps reduce bacteria in your mouth and can support gum health. If the mixture feels too dry, you can add a little more oil. Okay. Stir it in. Like I said before, if it feels too dry, you can add a little bit more oil. And if it's too watery, you can add a little bit more baking soda. You want to get it paste-like, as close to toothpaste as you can. Okay. Give y'all a close-up. Something like that. See, paste like. Once it's fully mixed, you can close the container and store it somewhere cool and dry. Over time, the ingredients might separate, especially if it's warm. That's normal. Just stir it before using it. Why this works: baking soda helps clean teeth and reduce acids. Peppermint oil keeps your breath fresh and helps control bacteria. Coconut oil helps with texture and supports oral health. Together, they make a simple, natural toothpaste. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to make toothpaste at home using basic ingredients. Try it out and see how it works for you. Thanks.